Hey guys, CSNYOUNG2003. I just busted the box of 2012-13 Prestige Basketball. It's an okay box, and I show you what I got. Okay, as usual, this Hall of Fame holiday, win a trip or something. Each pack got one of those, and then my rookies. I got the Andre Drummond, Pistons, Jared Sullinger, Celtics, Vernon Macklin, Pistons, Shelvin Mack, Myers Leonard, Kyle Quinn, Chep Taylor, Jimmer Fredette, Derek Williams, Terrence Ross, Chandler Parsons, Jeremy Tyler, Tyler Seller, got a Jeremy Tyler, Justin Harper, Ivan Fournier, another Parsons, Tree Tompkins, Elliot Williams, Quincy Acey, Robert Sacre, John Beasley, and then Kyrie Irving. That's nice. And for the some more inserts, Al Horford, franchise favorites, Jason Prince, and LeBron James. For stars of the NBA, I got David Lee, Marcus Thornton, Amari Stoudemire, and for the hardcore heroes, I got this Dwight Howard, John Wall, Dwayne Wade, and for the connection, as Manu Ginobili and Jason Terry, Tyson Chandler, Dwight Howard, and then Anthony Davis and Kid Gilchrist, 1 and 2 pick. I got a bonus shots of Chris Kaman, which is number 5 out of 249. I got a bonus shot as well of LaBoy Allen. This is the, I think, the block, and it's low numbering, 8 out of 10. And the jersey, another bonus shot is Deshaun Taylor, and this one is number 249. And then the jersey is Kawhi Leonard, and then the autograph is Tyler Honeycutt, John Luver, and hit of the box is Jimmer Fredette. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and peace.